Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Facebook privacy settings and data downloads, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of withdrawing from Facebook privacy settings, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Facebook website and log in to your account. Once logged in, locate the downward-facing arrow in the top right corner of the page. Click on the arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu. This will expand to show additional options. Click on Settings to enter your account settings. On the left sidebar, find and select Privacy. Here, you will see various options related to your privacy settings. To review your privacy settings, click on Manage Privacy Settings. Take note of your settings regarding who can see your posts, your friend requests, and your profile information. To adjust these settings, click on Edit next to each option. After making your desired changes, click Save Changes. Next, if you want to download your Facebook data, return to the main set. In the left sidebar, select your Facebook information. From there, find and choose Download Your Information. On this page, you can customize your data request. Select the data categories you wish to include in your download. Options range from posts and comments to messages and photos. You can also choose the date range for the data you want to download. Select the file format you prefer, either HTML or JSON. Once you've made your selections, click the Create File button. Facebook will now process your request, which may take some time. You'll be notified when your data is ready for download. Return to the Download Your Information section to check the status of your request. Once complete, click on Available Files to download your data. Review all downloaded files to ensure they meet your needs. By following these steps, you will successfully adjust your privacy settings and download your data from Facebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.